Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing both the recorder and the call. Open your chosen recording app or connect an external recorder. Make sure it shows available storage and at least 10% battery. Then start the Instagram audio call, tap the profile, choose audio, and place the call. Once the call connects, immediately start recording on the external device or app so you don't miss the opening lines. Make sure you've verbally confirmed consent on the recording so the file is usable and ethical. Once recording, focus on audio quality. Position your microphone 6 to 12 inches from your mouth or ensure the phone's internal mic is unobstructed. If your recorder allows gain control, reduce it to prevent clipping when people speak loudly and increase it if voices are too quiet. Test briefly by asking a quick phrase. Use wired headphones to monitor live levels and listen for echo or feedback. If you hear any, lower volume or switch to single-ear monitoring. This preserves clarity for later. After the call ends, stop and save the recording right away with a descriptive file name and timestamp so you can find it later. Then copy the file to cloud storage or your computer as a backup. If the recording failed or audio is missing, make sure the recorder app had microphone permission, that you had available storage, and that Do Not Disturb didn't block background activity. If needed, redo the call with those settings corrected. One quick test call before important sessions prevents avoidable losses.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.